For today's vlog, we are going to Podium Vikings kasi birthday ni Leova. Hello, birthday girl.
It's my birthday.
Naka-red yan. So wag niyo na pong itanong kung ilang taon siya. Kasi it doesn't matter.
Yeah.
Age is just a number, they say.
We celebrate, we never ask.
We're going to eat lang. Any plans special?
After, I'm going to self-love lang ako. So I'm going to go for a mani-pedi, massage.
See you. We are now on our way to the 5th floor, I think. Daming resto dito. So the buffet starts at 11 AM. So ito yung mga nakapalilid na store. Ang ganda ng design ng building. They are pet friendly. Ice cream. You can play piano here if you want. So we are seated here. Thank you. Ito yung pinaka-start from the entrance. So these are cakes for a dessert. So nasa dulo siya. This one are for kids, no?
Yeah.
Meron siyang sour candy. May happy Easter. They have gelato. Gelato, hindi lang ice cream. Sabi na rin gelato. Cakes, more cakes. They have fruits, green salad. Potato salad. Sarap ng salad.
Feeling ko salad. Sarap ng salad. Sarap siguro to.
Morning.
Hindi kaya.
Ano to? Pasta. Parang pasta. Lemon, yeah. Caviar.
Oh, caviar.
Try mo. Is it good? Ano yun? I'm not familiar with this kind of food pero I think masarap sila. Oh my god, our favorite scallops. Ubusin mo na kaya lahat. Scallops. Guys, ganito po kami kumain. Nag-hard.
Oh my god, pizza na eh.
Yeah, they also have pizza. They have paella. Wala. Nag-start na po siya. Sarap. Scale, rating 1 to 10. Ano to?
I want.
Grating, mixed vegetable grating.
I want.
Yeah, balikan natin to. Parang walang tapon, no? Parang lahat masarap. Parang ito, poached chicken. Ito, cottage pie. Pork bulgogi. Oh. Feeling ko until 3 PM tayo. Ano ba yung limit dito?
2:30.
Japchae, 2:30. Ayan. Ito, more on Japanese.
Oh my god.
Sushi. Ano to? Chicken teppanyaki. Kumukuha na siya habang nag-tumitingin ng ano. Parang sulit. No? Sashimi. Ano yung sashimi? Wala pa. Meron pa display. So mag-order ka. And they have this, ano to, Japanese styles. Cute. Order natin lahat. Ito, more on Filipino food ba? Tama. Ito, masarap. Grilled corn in a cup. Swan's liver, chicken liver. Ito yung hasabaw, hot pot. Yang chow. Shrimp. Wow, ang ganda ng pagkaka-arrange. Chicken sour corn. Kunin natin yung isang buo. Pwede ba? Hindi pala. Ito, dim sums. Different kinds of dim sums. Ito. This one. Shawarma. So, ikaw yung mag-wrap, no?
Yeah.
Kuha ka lang.
Oo nga, no?
Galing. Mahaba na po yung pila sa steak. So, pila na kami. Pila na po kami sa steak. Roast beef. Ito na yung roast beef. Drinks.
Oyster.
Kain po. Tadakimasu.
Tadakimasu. Dahil na pa ako kumain.
Sarap na sarap.
Naglalakad pa lang ako kumakain.
I'll try the steak. Ito yung roast beef. Magka-chopstick pa. Sinapstick yung roast beef.
Giant fish.
Ito meron isang fish. Kuha ako doon.
Ano ang fish?
Parang very soft siya. Sauce. Masoft. Ito paella.
Oyster.
Malapit na kami ng pasta. Wala.
Ha?
Wala yung pasta.
Wala.
Ang dapat.
Parang na ako.
So, update lang. So, we are still eating. Finishing our first batch. Tinakad lang ng greens. Medyo dry yung fish. But like it. But for the meat, yes, 10 over 10. Happy birthday!
Daisy ng tomato pasta. Thank you for waiting.
Thank you.
Pleasure po. Marasa.
Ano? We also have white wine.
Masarap.
Okay na ba ito?
Okay na. Okay na. Gusto ko mag,
Gusto mong i-chopstick yung pasta.
huwag mo munang, chakain.
Sige.
Ganyan. Kasi di maarang mag, Ayan. Asya na tayo.
Alas may gano'n.
Diba?
Pasta and wine.
Okay. Cheers, cheers!
Perfect.
I love it. Uy, ang sarap niya.
Anong tawag dito? Matcha.
Matcha soup.
Soup. Matcha soup.
Matcha soup.
Cleanse your
Hindi ko alam, nakita ko lang.
for healthy tummy.
Let's get the probiotic later.
Yeah.
Para sa tummy.
Now I can eat again. Like, na-restart yung
Diba?
Thank you. 감사합니다. Happy birthday, Ben.
Mag-wish ako. Nagkaano ba yun?
Make a wish. Happy birthday. Uy, nag-start siya, oh.
Kaya nga eh. Showgirl.
Ang ganda, parang masarap. Pwede mo itong take out. Tapos kung mag-brown out, okay. Tapos kung mag-brown tayo, pwede yun.
Hayop ba? Nagsasampar?
May kandila. Nawala yung ilaw. Kaya hanap ko ng kandila. Kala ko may sasayaw. Wala pala.
Kali ka ba? Medyo ako eh, waray pa ako like plan, like pero yun nga sabi ko nga yung gusto ko mag-masters, diba? Pero most likely next year. Kasi yan, gusto ko i-launch talaga na akong makeup artistry.
Kaya nga, yun talaga no, parang something that is close to your
Yes, I'm so
heart.
excited. I'm
Or
excited.
close to home.
Gusto.
Ako din. Excited ako for your makeup artist.
Wait, part of my crew
Yeah.
Weekenders lang kita.
Ako yung mga tagadala ng mga gamit.
Dito tsaka video,
Video,
edit.
Video edit. Tapos taga-ano. Huwag pinagbayad, joke. Taga-support.
Taga-support.
Singil.
Oo. Excited na ako. Feeling ko pag nag-launch ako, makeup, may mga makuha ako for sure.
I think mas better pag kita mga mga wedding coordinators, partnership.
Part na natin package.
So, seasonal. Pwede yung summer, May, pati isa na.
Pwede.
So, kung may kakasal hiray, tawag nila kasi ito.
Oo. Hiran mag-aansyo ka. Pwede kita mag-ano mga June bride, di ba mga gano'n? In fairness, I like your strategies.
Of course.
Tapos pwede na kita mag-work from home from there di ba? Yan na, nagdi-discover ako ng mga products. Damo na mag-upay actually. Cheers! Second glass.
So, this is white wine. Sa kanya, white reddish. Kasi may
white
tilido.
reddish. Dirty white. Mag-review na tayo.
Okay.
Out of 5, how would you rate the experience? I-average na.
4.5.
4.
Why?
Why?
Wala. Sige, okay na.
4.5 mataas sa'yo 4.5. Ako 4.
It's not 4 kasi hindi tinapon yung pula. Kung nagpa-refill ng wine, kala ko yung ganun nila.
Masarap yung food talaga. Tapos, white at yung dessert, I think pwede pang improve.
Like?
Kasi sugad like, parang kulang siya.
You haven't tried the ice cream. Ice cream lang yung
yeah, probably. So, pwede ka 4.5 something. So, let's give it 4. When did you go? Today. Who did you go with, friends?
I'll try this one.
Right here, review. Food is good.
Overall, okay naman yung dining experience kasi nga, as I've said before, very spacious yung seating. So yun pala, okay na. Like pag gumanon ako, wala akong masisip ko. So much touching.
Yeah.
Okay, no? Hindi na tamaman. We have cheese. I think this is Gouda. Gouda?
Yeah. No. That's brie.
Brie.
Best with honey. Sayang, di rin ko nabutangan.
I got the honey.
Yeah, ako honey. Masarap. Sige.
We are now on our third glass of wine. So medyo mainit na po. Mainit po.
Meron ng espiritu.
I can feel the spirit. Perfect for red wine again. Woo! Ali-oli and bibingka. It's loaded with pepper. And cheese. Saka very al dente yung noodles na. Saka high quality.
Ang sarap yung pasta nila. Mas kumano kasi pasta. Sarap.
Dessert na. After dessert, mahal ako nito.
Habol na
Because
habol
I just
ang
have to try the clams. Wala to kanina eh. Time check. It is now
Magtuto pa lang.
1:45 to 1:48 p.m. So we still have
nagkikuhaan mo ako?
42 minutes.
Ako din eh.
So we're now having ice
You know what I'm
cream.
gonna do?
Ice cream, wow, very clever. Very clever. Ice cream, tapos after nito magkakape pa kami. Ice cream.
This is what I call affogato.
Affogato. That's Americano.
Americano with
Ice cream. Ano ba yun?
Affogato. Oh!
Can I try it too?
Ha?
Affogato. I'll get some. So, ito yung strawberry.
Kaso strawberry. Medyo weird.
Dapat ang vanilla.
Dapat vanilla.
Smells good. Okay lang, lapit naman yung CR. Kita ko ano, printer? Ground.
SMDC team ba?
Yeah. Or Starbucks.
Mag-uol naman.
Guys, I ordered dirty chai latte. I can already taste the dirtiness. And this one is sea salt latte.
Parang
Sea salt siya
amazing.
but creamy oh.
Parang amazing and sea salt.
Ayun.